Alright, moving on to the back side of the parallel and perpendicular lines paper construction. You need to make a perpendicular line through a point P that's not on the line. And so to do this, it's really a perpendicular bisector construction with one extra step in the beginning. And the extra step in the beginning is you're going to take your compass, put it there centered on P, and just put it out at your favorite, put it out and put your pencil or pen through your favorite hole that goes past this line. So when you draw an arc, that arc's going to cross it twice. So I'm going to get two intersection points here with this arc that you've made. The next thing you need to do is use these 2 points and act like this is the segment you're going to make a perpendicular bisector through. So I got these 2 points here. To make a perpendicular bisector, you put your compass down, pick your favorite hole to draw your arc, but you have to use that same hole when you draw your other arc. So use that same hole to draw your other arc, and you have that. Those 2 arcs are going to have 2 intersection points. You're going to draw your perpendicular, the line that goes through those 2 points, and that'll give you a perpendicular bisector. And this one, same story. This one looks a little bit skewed, but that's because I had to take this picture at an angle. Anyway, same story though. Put your compass here at a center, and pick your favorite hole that will make an arc that will cross your original line twice. And those 2 intersection points are the ends of a segment that you're going to make a perpendicular bisector to. So you're going to put your compass on one end, the center at one end of that segment, draw an arc that goes through, and use that same radius to make your other arc. And when you got that, you're going to get 2 intersection points. Use those 2 intersection points to draw your line, and you have a perpendicular line through Q. And moving on to 6, this one is basically two perpendicular line constructions that go through the point R. To start off, put your compass at R. I'm going to do the one on the right first. Take your compass out and pick your favorite radius and draw your arc so it crosses your line more than once. It has to cross twice. And when you do that, you're going to get a point over here and a point that actually I didn't fit on my screen here. And you're going to construct a perpendicular bisector from this end of the segment to the one over here on the right side. Draw your arcs that overlap. You'll have 2 intersection points, and draw your perpendicular bisector. It's going to go through R, and you have this first line. You need to now pick up your compass and make it go out. And this one's actually pretty far. It's pretty far to the end of your compass, but you just need to get a radius that when you draw, it's going to cross the line, this line CD twice, because you need to get these 2 intersection points. Once you have that, you're going to construct a perpendicular bisector of the segment from between these 2 intersection points. So your compass goes on the end, you pick your favorite radius and draw your arc. Use the same hole, the same radius in constructing your other arc using your compass. And you got your 2. Once you have your 2 arcs, they're going to have 2 intersection points. And you construct the line that goes through those intersection points, and that will be a perpendicular line that goes through R. The end.